In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenCRAVAT. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to install OpenCRAVAT using a virtual environment. And there are a lot of advantages to using a virtual environment. Number one, it really helps keep, the packages isolated, and so it's very helpful overall so you don't kind of cross the streams and get too many different dependencies. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to first check where my Python is. So you can do that using which Python 3. So this is on Mac, but you can see that I have installed Python 3 via Homebrew. So I'm going to create a virtual environment by using Python 3, then using the -m argument, and then venv. So short for virtual environment, and let's call it OC test. Okay, so it looks like nothing happened, but we can check if we look for that OC test directory. And you can see there's a couple of directories in here. So let's show the full. So lsl. So you can see there's 3 folders in here, and then there's this config file. So now we need to activate our virtual environment. So I'm going to clear the screen, and we need to go into that directory. So I'm going to go into, so there is an activate function, so we're going to look for OC test, and it's going to be in our bin directory, and it's going to be activate. So because we're on Mac and Linux, we need to start it up with the source function. So this is going to start up our virtual environment. So we know we have a virtual environment created and we're activated because you see that the name of our virtual environment is in parentheses before that. So now we can install OpenCRAVAT into our virtual environment. So we can do that with pip3. And then install, and then open-cravat. So when you start running this, a bunch of packages are going to be fetched, and they're going to be installed into our OC test virtual environment. So you can see that a bunch of packages and things got pulled, and so all of the dependencies have now been installed. So let's see if OpenCRAVAT is working for us. So I'm going to clear the screen again, and then I'm going to, so all of the OpenCRAVAT commands begin with OC, and then so I'm going to look for help, get the help page from OpenCRAVAT. So here you can see there's a bunch of different commands that you can put after OC. The one you'll probably be using the most is OC GUI. So this is going to start up a web GUI that you can use to input your files, install annotators from the store, and things like that. So quick note, so if you want to deactivate your OpenCRAVAT environment, so we can just type in deactivate. And so notice that our prompt does not have that OC test in front of it anymore. So if we want to activate it again, so we can do OC test bin activate. Oh, sorry. We need to source. So now our virtual environment is all ready.